Next concept is open and close posting periods. Okay. Please note down, sir. Please note down. This variant mainly used for posting periods open and close. In real time, companies will open only current period postings, but in test system, we can open multiple periods at a time. Here we have the option account to type. If you want to allow posting periods, if you want to allow the postings based on the account to type wise, then open the posting periods using account to type. If you want to allow all account to types, then maintain the periods in account to type plus. Example observe below. Example observe below. All account to type, all account types specific account to type wise. Example, observe below. Example, observe below. Just observe here. Okay, first four columns. Posting period variant and next account to type from GL to GL. Okay, next one, normal posting periods, special posting periods, and who is the authorized person to do this activity. Okay, yeah, following, right? Yes, first one, this is the account to type. If you want to allow normal posting period, first period April 2022 to April 2022, first period, if you want to post all account to types, assets, GL, vendor, customer, all postings, then use the plus indicator. Okay, I want to post only specific assets for the first period. I don't want to post any other. Like customer, no postings. Vendor, no postings. Fixed asset, no posting. Then use the specific account to type wise postings. Okay, I want to allow only customer. Then during this setup, specify your account to type D. If you want to allow only vendors, then specify during this step configuration setup, use the vendor account to type, GL account to type. Okay, what is the observation here, sir? If you want to allow the all account to type postings, then use the account to type plus. Or if you have any requirement to allow only assets, then specify account to type assets. Only customers, specify account to type customer, specify account type vendor, specify account type GL, material, whatever it is. Okay, if you have any specific requirement to allow only specific account type, then use account to type. Okay, example, please note down this. Example 1, example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, example 5. Total 5 examples. Example, I want to allow first period all, but second period only asset, allow only asset. Third period allow only customer postings. Fourth period allow only vendor postings. Fifth period only GL postings. This is the normal period. And a special period 13 previous physical year. 13 previous physical year. Current physical year is 2022. Current physical year is 2022. Special period belongs to previous physical year, 13th period. Okay, first period is 13. Second period is 14, right? 14. Third period is 15. And fourth period is 16. And after 16, don't allow anything. Delete. No special periods. We have the functionality account to type wise. If you want to use account type wise, then use. Otherwise, maintain plus for all. Example 1. Okay, please note down, sir. Just first one is your account to type details. Second portion is normal periods. Third portion is special periods. Fourth portion is authorization group. We have example 100 users. Out of 100, who is the responsible person to open this periods? That person role we have to specify here. Example, Praveen is a authorized person. Ravi is a authorized person. Bhaskar is a authorized person. Specify that role, authorization role here. Out of 100, only these 3 members can access this transaction. Others cannot. Okay. So real time always companies are following one period opening, current period, only current period. They will allow the postings. Okay. Previous posting periods, no. Only current period. Why? Because every month we will prepare our reports, right? Once previous period is completed, then we will close the previous period, we'll open the current period. Completed, right? I will set up this, sir. Okay, I will set up this. I will use the all account to types. If you want, we can set up account to type wise. Okay, account type wise you can set up. But here, either you can set up all account to types allowed or set up account to type wise separately. Following, right? I will set up all account to types. All account types I will set up. Transaction code is OB52. Transaction code is OB52. Click on new entries. Yesterday we created the posting period variant, right? We created the posting period variant for this setup. Okay, open and close posting periods. Okay, yeah. What is our variant? APPV. Posting period variant. Posting period variant APPV. Account to type plus. Here we have the multiple account types. See here, plus valid for all. A assets, D customers, K vendors, M materials, S GLs, V contractors. I am using the all. If you want to set up separately, use account to type. Otherwise, if you want to allow all, then plus. Plus meaning is all account to types. Select account to type plus. From GL account to blank to GL account to blank. From GL account to blank to GL account to blank. From period 01. What is the current period, sir? What is current period? Current period is July period. July. Currently we are in July month. What is the period count? July period count.
7.
4, right? Our physical year is India physical year, April to March. April is the first period, May second period, June third period. Currently we are in July. July fourth period. July 4. What is the physical year? 2022. 2022 and 2 period. Always open only one period, current period. 2 current period. If you want to allow 2 posting periods at a time, example 4th and 5th, if you want to allow, then specify 4 and 5. 4 from period 4 to period 5. If you want to allow complete physical year, then maintain from period 1 to period 12. Okay, right, sir? From period 1 to period 12. Okay, here I am following the production process. In production system, always companies will open only current period. Current period is 4th period. 4th period in 2022. 2 period also 4th period 2022 physical year. These 4 columns related to normal posting periods. Next 4 columns related to special periods. Okay, currently we are in July. What is the July special period count? 16th period, right? 16. And the 16th period belongs to which physical year? Previous physical year. Currently we are in 2022. Previous is 2021. Previous is 2021. And from 2 period also 16 and 2021. Here example authorized person. This activity responsible person is PM. Okay, some name Ravi, X, Y, Z, some authorized person number. Authorization group we have to specify here. Please note down, sir. Maintain the same configuration. 4 2022 to 4 2022, 16 2021, 16 2021 PM. What is our variant? Yesterday we created. Same, sorry. SMPP. Sorry, sir. This is SMPP, not SMPP. 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 Yesterday we created SMPP, not APPV. SMPP. We have to specify our variant. This is old company variant. Okay. Yesterday we created SMPP, not APPV. SMPP. SMPP. SMPP plus from GL blank to GL blank from period 1, 4 from fiscal year 2022 to period 4 fiscal year 2022 special period 16 and 2021 16 2021. After July no special periods, blank. Enter and save. 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 Okay. Next step is define document types. Define document types and number ranges. Define document types and number ranges. Define document types and number ranges. Next step number 6. Define document types and number ranges. OBA7. 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 Define document types and number ranges. OBA7. Please note down, sir. Document type mainly used for transaction data. Document type mainly used for transaction data, document number creation. Transaction data, document number creation. And based on the document type, we can control the transaction data, header data fields, reference number, header data fields, reference number, header text. Reference number, header text. Reference number and header text. Next line, sir. Document type creation at client level. Document type creation at client level. Document type creation at client level. Document type under we have to specify the document type under we have to specify the number range group. Document type under we have to specify the number range group. Based on the number range group, we have to maintain the document number ranges. We have to maintain the document number ranges. We have to maintain the document number ranges. We have to maintain the document number ranges at company code level. At company code level. These number ranges are year dependent number ranges. Year dependent number ranges. Every year we have to maintain the document numbers. Based on this number, ranges, it will generate the transaction data document number. Transaction data document number. Transaction data document number. Transaction data document number. Next line. During the transaction data posting, we in header level, we have to specify the document type. Based on the document type selection in the header, it will pick up the one number. It will pick up the one number from number ranges, and will allocate to transaction document. Will allocate to transaction data. Will allocate to transaction data. If you want to check the transaction data, and the document number is a source to, document number is a source for a document validation. Observe the SAP delivered to document types. Observe the SAP delivered to document types. Observe the SAP delivered to document types. 99% we will use SAP delivered to document types. 99% we will use the SAP delivered to document types. SAP delivered to document types. SAP delivered document types. If required, any additional document type, then we can create, otherwise we will use standard. Observe below standard document types. Observe below standard document types. So three columns. You can note down this. AA asset postings, AF depreciation posting, DR customer invoice, DZ customer payment, KR vendor invoice, KZ vendor payment, SA GL document, AB reversal document. And each document type under we have the number range group 01, 05, 18, 14, 19, 15, 01, 02. Addition to above document types. Create your own document types. Like below. Document type SM or ZM or SM. Sir, always custom, any customization, we have to start Z, first letter Z. Z is customization identification. ZS, document type for yes, AMM, right? SAMM or Samsung. Document type for Samsung. ZS. Number range group allocate 40 or some other number. Document type ZS. Name. Document type for Samsung or GL document type for Samsung. GL document type for Samsung. Number range group 40. Okay. First one. Display standard document type. And maintain the document number ranges. Display standard document type and maintain document number ranges. Sir, currently we are in GL, right? General ledger, normal basic concept. What is a GL related document type? SA, right? SA, not AA is asset postings. SA is GL document and ZS will create. Okay, this is not standard. Right now, it is not available. We have to create this. Check SA. Please note down the path. Transaction code is OBA7. Please note down the path. SPRO IMG. Financial accounting. Financial accounting global settings. Document header. Document to document header. Define document types. Transaction code is OBA7. Observe all standard document types. In my system, I have total 62 document types. Okay. Observe all standard document types. Example, AA asset postings, AF depreciation. Next, DR customer invoice, DZ customer payment, KG credit memo, KR vendor invoice, KZ vendor payment, SA general document type, GL document type. Okay. Select to document type SA. Select to document type SA. General GL document type. General GL document type. Name SA general GL document type. Click on details button. Click on details button. Observe the number range group 01. Observe the number range group 01. Observe the number range group 01. Reversal document type AB. Reversal document types AB. Sir, this is a general document type, right? Okay. This document type is a general document type. It will allow for all account types. Okay. It will allow we need to post some assets. We need to post some vendors, some customer transactions, some material transactions, some GL transactions. This is a general document type. Select account types allowed. Select account types allowed. Select account types allowed. Select account types allowed. So just observe here. If you want to allow only assets, then select document type under assets. Okay. It will not allow any other postings. I am trying to post customer invoice using the SA document type. Then it will not allow. Okay. It will not allow. Why? Because here in document type level, customer option is not selected. Okay. If you want to allow, then select customer. Okay. I am trying to post the vendor invoice using the document type SA. Then it will not allow. Why? Because in document type SA under vendor checkbox is blank. Okay. Same similarly material and GL also. Okay. This is a general document type. General document type should support the all account types. Okay. It should support all account types. That's why select all. Okay. Select account types allowed. Assets, customers, vendors, materials and GL account type. 5 account types. Assets, customers, vendors, materials, GL. Control data. Control data. Select negative postings permitted. Negative postings permitted. Negative postings permitted. Negative postings permitted. That means any credit balances. If you want to post any negative values using this document type, then select this option. Okay. If this option is unticked, then SA document type, it will not allow the negative postings. Okay. That control. Select negative postings permitted. And the next one. Next one. Select intercompany postings. Select intercompany postings. Intercompany postings. So this option is applicable for intercompany postings. Example, I have total 4 company codes. Okay, I have total 4 company codes. What is the company code? Samsung. Samsung TVs, Samsung mobiles. Okay, Samsung electrics, Samsung watches. total 4 company codes I have. Okay, but out of 4 company codes I am paying the salaries. Okay, I am considering complete employees to one group, and I am paying through Samsung Mobiles company code. All company code salaries I am paying through Samsung Mobile. That means Samsung watches employee salary, Samsung TVs employee salary, Samsung mobile employee salary, Samsung electrics employee salary. All 4 company codes employee salaries I am paying through mobiles company code. Okay, here it is involving the cross company code transaction, intercompany transaction. If you want to allow, this is separate concept, sir, I will explain during the intercompany postings. Just what is the importance of this field I am explaining. If you want to use the intercompany process, intercompany scenario, then select this option. Okay, next one. If you want to enter the trading partner manually, then specify, select enter trading partner. Select enter trading partner. Select enter trading partner. Enter trading partner. Next. Required during document entry. Required during document entry. Required during document entry. Sir, during the document posting, transaction data posting, if you want to enter mandatory fields, if you want to update as a mandatory fields reference number and header text, then select here. That's why this document type, it will control the reference number and header text during the transaction data posting. Document type, it will control the header data fields based on this setup. Okay, select reference number required and header text required. Select reference number required, header text required. Sir, I am not creating here. Okay, I am using the existing document type, SA. This is the existing document type, I am using SA. Select save. Select save. Select save. Select save. Select save. Save this configuration under same transport request. Save this configuration in same transport request. Save this configuration in same transport request. Observe the message, data saved. Observe the message, data saved. Click on number range information. Sir, I am not touching this right side fields. Batch and put session only, exchange rate, debit indicator, credit indicator. These things I am not touching. These things I am not touching. I will explain later, present not required. Okay, I will explain later, present not required. Click on number range information button. Click on number range information button. What is the number range group, sir? 01, right? Click on number range information button. Next, note down. Maintain the number ranges. Maintain the number ranges at company code level. Maintain the number ranges at company code level using the number range group. Using the number range group. Maintain the number ranges at company code level using number range group. What is the company code? Yes, SAMM. SAMM here, right? SAMM. Company code SAMM. Click on change intervals button. Click on change intervals button. Click on change intervals button. Middle button, sir. This is a change interval. See the name, change intervals. Click on add interval plus button. Click on add interval or insert interval. Click on add interval or insert interval. Here total, what is the company code? Company code is SAMM. What is the number range group? 01. What is the physical year? 2022. Maintain the number range. Okay, maintain the from number, from document number, from document number and to document number. From document number to document number. Next one is internal or external. Internal or external. Company code, number, range, group. Number, range, group, physical year. This is the integration, sir. Document type not directly integrating to company code. Okay. Document type under we have the number range group. That number range group wise we are maintaining the number ranges. Okay. From number, sir, always companies are following maximum 10-digit code. Maximum 10-digit code. First 2 digits we are following number range group. 01. Remaining 8 digits zeros. 01802, 01802, 0189s. 01802, 0189s. External. External. No. Don't select. Don't select. Don't select. Okay. This is a company code. Change intervals. Number range group. What is the number range group? Number range group is 01. Number range group is 01. Physical year is 2022. 01. We have to pick up this number range group from our document type. This number, if the document type is following 40, then we have to maintain the 40 number ranges. Number range group 40. If the document type is following 10, then here we have to maintain 10 number range. Example, in case of 10, 2022, first 2 digits number range group, all zeros. Next, first 2 digits number range group, all nines. And external checkbox is blocked. Okay. Our number range group is 01, physical year 2022, 01 all zeros to 01 all nines, and don't select external. Okay. Press enter and save. Press enter and save. Press enter and save. Note. Press enter and save. Note. This is a user activity. This is a user activity. This is a user activity. User number ranges will maintain in production system. User will maintain the number ranges in production system. User will maintain the number ranges in production system every year. Every year beginning. Every year beginning. Every year beginning. Beginning of the year. Beginning of the year. This is year beginning activity. This is a year beginning activity. Without this, it will not generate any transaction data number. Without this, it will not generate any transaction data number. And we cannot post any transactions. And we cannot post any transactions. And we cannot post any transactions. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save. Observe the message. Sir, this is a user activity. User will maintain in production system. Is it required the transport request? Not required, right? What is the purpose of transport request? What is the purpose of transport request? If you want to transfer the data from development system to other systems, then save your data in transport request. This is a manual activity. Directly will maintain in production system. Same message it is providing here. It is giving the same message. The number range intervals are not included in automatic recording of customizing changes. Transport of all changes made within number range intervals maintained must be manual. Still you have option. Okay. If you want to transfer through transport request, then generate manually. Transport request, generate manually. Automatic transport request, it will not generate. Why? Because this is a manual activity. Following, right? Ignore the message, press enter. Read the message and ignore. Read the message and ignore. Enter. Read the message and ignore. Press enter. See, sir, it is not generated the transport request. Right? It is not generated the transport request. Next one. Next one. Create our own document type. Create our own document type. Create our own document type. ZS. ZS. Create our own document type. ZS. Create our own document type ZS. Go to OBA 7. Go to OBA 7. Go to OBA 7. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. What is the document type? ZS. GS ZS. What is the number range group I mentioned here? 40, right? 40. 40. Number range group 40. Reversal document type AB. Reversal document type AB. This document type also I am using for general. Allow all account types. Allow all account types. Document type ZS. Number range group 40. Reversal document type AB. Document types allowed: asset, customer, vendor, material, GL. Negative postings permitted. Negative posting permitted. Intercompany postings. Intercompany postings. Enter trading partner. Enter trading partner. Reference number. Reference number. Document header text. Document header text. Press enter. Sir, I am selecting same as SCA. I am selecting same as SCA. Select save. Select save. Select save. Save this under same transport request. Save this in same transport request. Save this in same transport request. Click on number range information button. Click on number range information button. Click on numbering information button and maintain the number ranges. Click on numbering information button and maintain the number ranges. Maintain the number ranges. Maintain the number ranges. Maintain the number ranges at company code level. Maintain the number ranges at company code level using number range group. Using number range group 40. Using number range group 40. Click on this, right? Click on number range information button. Next, what is the company code? Select company code SCAMM. Select company code SCAMM. Click on change intervals button. Click on change intervals button. Click on change intervals button. Click on add intervals or insert intervals, this plus button. Click on add intervals or insert intervals button. Click on add intervals, insert intervals button. Number range group. Number range group. What is the number range group? 40. Number range group 40. Physical year 2022. 2022. Number range. Sir, you can maintain any number range here. But companies will follow some naming convention. Okay, number convention they will follow. First 2 digits they will follow for identification purpose. First 2 digits they will follow identification purpose. Number range group. Number range group is 40. 40 all zeros to 40 all nines. 40 all zeros to 40 all nines. Select the external. Select external. External. Select the external. Same sir, it is giving the same message. No automatic transport request because this is a manual activity. Okay. Every year we have to maintain. After 2022, we have to maintain 23 also same, 24 also same, 25 also same. As part of year beginning, this is a year beginning activity. Once year is completed, then this is the first activity we have to perform in the system. Okay, enter. Ignore the message, press enter. Changes saved. Next one, internal and external. First one, note down internal number ranges. Internal number range. Internal number range. If the external checkbox is blank, if the external checkbox is blank, in your number range, in your document number range, in your document number range, in your document number range, then that is internal number ranges. Then that is internal number ranges. If number range is internal, if the number range is internal, if the number range is internal, then during the transaction data posting, system will assign the document number automatically. Then system will assign the document number automatically. Then system will assign the document number automatically from the document number range. 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 Here system will follow the first in first out concept. Here system will follow the first in first out concept. Here system will follow the first in first out concept. Here system will follow the first in first out concept, and it will follow the sequential assignment, So this is the internal number range now, right? This is the internal number range, and the second one is the external number range. Sir, in this case, system it will assign this number automatically. First in, first out. What is the first number? 1 lakh is first number. Next 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2, 1 lakh 3. Sequentially, it will allocate the system. During the transaction data posting, system will allocate the number sequentially. First 1 all zeros like 1 lakh, 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2, 1 lakh 3, 1 lakh 4. It will not jump the number 1 lakh 10 to 1 lakh 20, 20 to 30. No, it will follow the sequence manner. Okay, 0 to last number, it will follow the sequence. Next one, external. external, if you select the external option in the number range, external option in the number range, then system will not allocate the or assign the document number during the transaction data posting. We have to select one document number. From the range. We have to select one document number from the range and to save the transaction. Sir, here system it will not consider these numbers automatically. This is a manual activity. During the transaction data posting, you have to pick up one number, either 4 lakh or 4 lakh 1 or 4 lakh 1000 or any number. Okay. Here we may break the sequence. We are humans, right? Sometimes we miss some number and use it to some other number. Here we may break the sequence. Instead of 4 lakh, there is no control. You can use the 4 lakh 1, 4 lakh 100, 4 lakh 1000, 5 lakh. Any number you can use from this range. Okay. System it will not create the number automatically from this range. We have to pick up one number from this range and we have to save the transaction data. Okay. During the testing, I will explain, sir, how the system behavior will be. Okay. This is enough as of now. Next step is seventh step. Next step is seventh step. Seventh step, assign tax processor to country. Transaction code OBBG. Transaction code OBBG. Please note down the path. Sir, I forgot to explain one more thing. Just to enter the name. Just to come back, add the name. Okay. We have not updated the name here because here name field is a gray mode. We have to update the name in initial screen. Name, example, same, whatever, same. This name. Okay, right? Otherwise, it will update blank like this. Just for understanding purpose, we have to update the name. Next path. Financial accounting, SPRO, IMG. Path, SPRO, IMG. Financial accounting. Financial accounting global settings. Financial accounting global settings. Tax on sales and purchases. Please note down shortcut. FA, financial accounting. FAG, financial accounting global settings. FAG. Next, tax on sales and purchases. Tax on sales and purchases. Tax on sales and purchases. Basic settings. Assign country to calculation procedure. Assign country to calculation procedure. Transaction code OBBG. Transaction code OBBG. What is our country? IN, right? India. As part of GST concepts, this is a separate concept. As part of GST, indirect tax, I will explain this. Present just assign. This is a mandatory step, one of the prerequisite. Country India, assign dummy tax procedure. Country India, procedure tax US. Country India, procedure tax US. Tax US. Save. 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 Next one. Save. Next one. Next one. Define tolerance groups. Define tolerance group. Next step. Step number 8. Define FI tolerance groups. Define FI tolerance limits. FI tolerance limits. FI tolerance limits. In FI level, we have 3 tolerance limits. Please note down. 3 tolerance limits. GL tolerance limit, customer and vendor tolerance limit, employee tolerance limit. First one, GL tolerance limit. First one, GL tolerance limit, OBA0. Define tolerance, define GL tolerance limit, OBA0. Define GL tolerance limit, OBA0. OBA0. Path is not required, sir. OBA0. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. What is the company code? SAAM. SAMM. Company code SAMM. Name. Company code SAMM. Group blank. Group blank. Group blank. Name GL tolerance. GL tolerance group for Samsung. GL tolerance limit for Samsung. Sir, I am not updating any limit here. I am not giving any limit. Okay. Just I am creating at company code level. I am not defining any groups, any limit. Enter and say. Enter and save. Next one. Define customer vendor tolerance limit. Define customer vendor tolerance limit. Define customer vendor tolerance limit. Transaction code OBA3. 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 Click on new entries. What is the company code? SAMM. Company code SAMM. Group blank. Group blank. Name customer and vendor tolerance limit for customer and vendor tolerance limit for Samsung. Here I am not defining any limit. Here I am not defining any limit. Enter and save. Enter and save. Next one. Employee tolerance limit. Employee tolerance. Define employees tolerance limit. Define employees tolerance limit. OBA4. Transaction code is OBA4. Transaction code is OBA4. Transaction code is OBA4. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Tolerance group blank. Tolerance group blank. Company code SAMM. SAMM. Here I am defining the limit. Here I am defining the limit. So what is the exact purpose of this? Example, employee. Okay. I am not touching the GL. I am not touching the customer. Here I am going to explain the employee tolerance limit. Okay. Here in my company, I am dividing into 4 type of employees. In my company, I am dividing into 4 type of employees. One is level 1 junior, level 2 senior, level 3 team leaders, level 4 managers. And here level wise I am defining the limit. Level wise I am defining the limit. Example, level 1 employees junior I am defining the limit till 1 lakh rupees. Till 1 lakh rupees. Junior, if the employee is level 1, I am a level 1 employee, then I can post maximum 1 lakh. I cannot post more than 1 lakh. Okay. If example I am a senior employee, then my limit is up to 10 lakhs. More than 10 lakhs, even 10 lakh 1 paisa I cannot post. Okay, because I have the limit up to 10 lakhs. And I am a team leader, level 3 employee. I have limit till 1 crore. More than 1 crore I cannot post. And I am a level 4 employee manager. I can post the maximum amount. This kind of limit we can define here. GL level, customer vendor level and employee level. Okay. This limit, any limit, tolerance limit is nothing but defining the limits. GL case, GL limit, debit post this much only, credit post this much only. Okay, up to post this value, debit value, debit GL value, and up to credit this value post. And customer case, up to this credit, post it to this customer. In case of revenue is less than this, then don't post. More than this, then don't post. Like that we can define the controls under tolerance limit. GL case, GL limit, customer vendor case, customer vendor tolerance limit, and employees case, employee limit. Following, right? This concept is little old, sir. Okay, but still it is a prerequisite. That's why I am maintaining this. Sir, if you maintain the 10,000 here, you cannot post more than 10,000, right? Example, I'm not creating the groups. If you want to create the groups, then L1, L2, L3, L4, specify here, specify the limit. Level 1 employee up to 1 lakh. Level 2, L2, 10 lakhs. Level 3, 1 crore. Level 4, maximum amount. Okay, maximum amount defined here based on the group wise. I'm not touching the group. Okay, because this is a old concept. Still it is a prerequisite. Without this we cannot post anything. Okay, just a company code level I am defining the limit. I am not defining the group. Direct to company code level I am defining the limit. Company code SCIMM, I am entering the maximum 10,000 amount. More than 10,000 it will not post, or maximum 1 lakh. Limit, please note down. Group tolerance group blank. Tolerance group blank. Company code SAMM. Company code SAMM. Amount per document 1 lakh. Amount per document 1 lakh. Amount per open item 1 lakh. Same amount. Amount per open item 1 lakh. Cash discount per line item maximum 10%. If discount is more than 10%, then it will throw the error. If you are posting more than 1 lakh, then it will throw the error. It will not allow. It will not allow more than 1 lakh, more than 10% discount. Okay? And revenue also. If you enter 1,000 revenue, more than 1,000 revenue, it will not allow. More than 1,000 expenses, it will not allow. Percentage, 10% revenue, 20% revenue, 10% expense, 20% expense. This is completely limit. It will check here. If you are deviating this limit, then it will throw the error. It will not allow. Okay? Following, right, sir? Press enter and save. Press enter and save. This is also configuration. It will save in same. Press enter and save. Next one. Right, sir. This is outdated concept. Limit is employee level limit. Okay. Next to GL level limit, vendor customer level limit. As of now, we defined 1 lakh. If you post more than 1 lakh, then it will throw the error. Then it will throw the error. Okay. Next one. Next one. Maintain company code global settings. Maintain company code global settings. Maintain company code global settings. OB/6. Transaction code is OB/6. Please note down the path. SPRO, IMG, SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting global settings, financial accounting global settings, company code, enter global parameters, transaction code OB/6. Click on position. What is the company code? SAMM. Our company code is SAMM. Click on position, select company code SAMM. enter company code SAMM. Double click on company code SAMM. Double click on company code SAMM. Observe all our assignments. Observe all our assignments. Observe all our assignments. Observe all our assignments like chart of accounts, group of company, physical year, posting period variant, field status variant, etc. Sir, individually you can assign, otherwise use OB/6 transaction and assign all this chart of account. Don't go to OB62. Okay, don't go to OB62. Directly come here and assign. Next one, what is the physical year assignment transaction code? OB37. Don't go to OB37. Open OB/6 and assign SM here. Okay. What is the field status variant to transaction code? OBC4 is creation. C5 is assignment. Don't go to OBC5. Come here, OB/6 and assign here your field status variant. Don't go to OBBP, posting period variant assignment. Come here and assign here. Following, right? Yes. Next one. Select negative postings permitted. Negative postings permitted. Default value date. Select default value date. Select tax reporting date active. Select tax reporting date active. Select tax reporting date active. Click on additional data. Click on additional data button. Click on additional data button. Update all your tax details. Update all your tax registration numbers. Update all your company tax registration. Update all your company tax registration numbers. Tax registration numbers. Sir, we will register company details, right? Registration number, PAN number, TDS number, all the details. Example, TDS number. My number is TDS 123. PAN number, PAN 12345. GIR number 12345. Some numbers. Whatever you registered. Okay, whatever number government allocated, that number update here. Okay. India, we have the PAN number, TDS number, GIR number, other country numbers. These are all other country related. Okay, right, sir. Your company code complete registration details we have to specify here in additional data. Example, please note down TDS number, TDS 12345, some number, TDS number, TDS 12345, PAN 12345, GIR 12345, some number for your testing purpose. Select back, select back, select back and save. Select back and save. Select back, save. Select back and save. This is the configuration. It will save under transport request. Select back and save. Okay, data was saved. Last two configuration steps pending. One is deactivate document splitting. Next step, deactivate 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, this step we'll explain in next session. Okay, this step I will explain in next session. Deactivate document splitting. Deactivate document splitting. Two steps pending, sir. One is a deactivate document splitting and other one controlling area. Once these steps are completed, then I will start the transaction data posting. One basic transaction I will post. Okay. Any questions or any doubts still here? No? Then I'm good. I'm closing the today's session. Thank you, sir. Thanks for joining.